Today I am going to show you how to program your Chamberlain Universal remote up to a Craftsman Garage with the purple Learn button. First of all, you will want to press star and pound until that flashing stops. Now you will want to punch in your code and then press pound. And then press whatever your garage number is. Ours is 3 in this case. And then press pound. Go over here, press the Learn button. Press your 4-digit code in. Hit 0. The thing will flash. Give it a couple of seconds for the thing to go out. And then once that's done, try your code, hit 0, and it will open. Something interesting is if you press any button while the thing is still lit, you can actually stop it from opening, and while it's still lit, hit it close. So that's how you program your Chamberlain Universal Garage door opener to a Craftsman.